I hope someone is watching me, watching me, baby, watching me.
First of all, you're going to get amazing photography education. It's going to be led by Sue Bryce, Cara Marie, Teri Hofford, three amazing powerhouse women photographers, and they all have different perspectives on portrait and feminine like portraits. And then there's going to be mentors such as myself there to help make the experience even better for you. And then just the castle alone is just a magical and artistic and inspiring place to be. And you're in Italy and you're eating delicious Italian food and drinking wine. It's just an incredible experience. You can't get better than this.
You can't. It's like a retreat. It's like if you are away from the hustle and bustle. And I think that's really when the learning starts to take place. We have models, and of course the mentors are there to like take it to a whole nother level. But the models have been such a key component of the portfolio building that we've been doing over the last 4 or 5 years with Sue, any of these events at the castle, and then combine that with the amazing food. You guys are going to love it. I hope you can come.
Yes.
Is there anything else that you'd like to add?
I just would say come. If you're on the fence, you just need to rip the Band-Aid off, get those mile points, sign up for like a good credit card deal, and just make it happen for yourself, because you're going to regret it if you don't come.
You will, and we don't want you to. We don't want any of that fear of missing out thing that everybody's been talking about.
Yeah, no FOMO.
Join us. Join us.
I hope someone is watching me, watching me, baby, watching me.